Sony 24mm F1.4 G Master lens is a great lens, and I'm going to show you the reasons why. What's going on, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. First of all, thank you for my new subscribers here to my channel. I want to welcome you, and I want to say that I really appreciate that you are here, checking these videos, commenting, and also following me on Instagram. So I really appreciate that. Helps me, keeps me motivated in doing these videos and have more fun with it. So thank you again. Let's begin with this lens, with reviewing this lens. I'm going to walk you through 3 topics: the build quality, image quality, and the performance of this lens. So yeah, let's begin. So let's talk about the build quality. The build quality of this lens is top notch, meaning it has that weather sealing gasket. It is lightweight, it's compact, the zoom ring, or the focus ring, the focus ring is just so nice. The aperture ring, you can set it in click on and off, so it's declickable. I'm not even sure if that is a real word or not, but build quality of this lens, even with the little dials and buttons on it, switches, is just very nice, and I don't have any complaints on that. I don't even have a lot of words to say about that, because yeah, the build quality of this is just great. The image quality, very important. I think for me at least, it's one of the most important things in reviewing a lens or testing out a lens. I can really say that the image quality out of this lens is just fantastic. I'm going to show you some pictures, some examples, and as you can see, the images even at f1.4 are really sharp. In low light conditions as well, f1.4, it takes care of it, and it shows some really clean images in low light conditions, and also just in normal light conditions as well. F1.4 is very sharp. There is, however, a little bit of vignetting, but you can easily remove that in post. But in overall, the image quality is just fantastic. So let's talk about the performance. This is a G Master lens, a native Sony lens, meaning it should perform really good, right? And I was checking it out. I'm going to show you some examples as well, and as you can see, with the eye autofocus from Sony and the combination with this lens, it just sticks on the eye. Even if it's not a real eye, for instance, I'm going to show you an example with a cutout board of myself that the children have created for me, and as you can see, even with that, the eye autofocus just sticks on it in the corners as well, so that's really good. The manual focus as well, if you put in the manual focus and you use the focus ring as well, it works just flawlessly. So I don't have any complaints whatsoever in that. So I've talked about the build quality, image quality, and the performance of this lens. All of those 3 is just amazing, so no complaints whatsoever. The only complaint that I have maybe is the price of this lens. And this lens comes in about $1,300 US, 1,400 euros, something in that area. So that's quite a lot of money. There are some alternatives, some really cheap alternatives, such as the ones from Samyang or Rokinon, the 24mm f2.8 pancake lens. I've used that one as well. It's very lightweight, but it's also very plastic, and it's really budget friendly, and it feels really cheap as well. So you might want to consider that if you are on a tight budget. Then we also have the Tamron 24mm f2.8, which came out in 2019, and that one is also, in regards to sharpness and image quality, is really nice, and also it has a extra option or feature, is that you can get really close to your subjects and do some kind of macro photography. So that's really nice as well. But the performance out of that lens, especially the autofocus, is a little bit slow, and it hunts from time to time, and if you do video work with that lens, it's not the best. There's also a third one, and that's the 24mm from Sigma, and that one I never checked out or tested out, but maybe that one is also a alternative. I'm not sure if there is a Zeiss Batis lens. Maybe, I think it's a 25mm f2, not sure. That one you might want to consider as well. I also Tested out this lens on a crop sensor camera on my old school Sony a6000, which I still really love, and as you can see, the images are looking really nice and sharp, so no complaints whatsoever. The performance as well is doing a fantastic job. Alright, that's all, so let's wrap it up. Do I recommend this lens? And the answer is yes, I really recommend this lens, the Sony FE24mm F1.4 G Master lens. If you have the option to buy this for a really good price, then go ahead and buy that. You won't be disappointed at all. Alright, thank you again for watching. Subscribe if not already, like the video, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.